What's up guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be making the rolling system and the direct shot. So I was recording this earlier but my voice genuinely just wasn't being picked up. So I'm just going to pick up from where I left off. I'll just show you guys the ECG. So what you want to do, you want to make a folder in replicated storage. You want to put the folder in play animations and you want to name it ECG. As when you go to data storage, the default is ECG unless you changed it. So you want to put that in play animations. Then you want to add a folder called first move in there, and then you want to put the direct shot animation, which this rig should have. And then once you've done that, you want to navigate to ball control, and then under the running script, the sprinting script, the procedure, you want to copy what I've done right here. Just copy this. What this does is it gets your style and it gets the name of your style that you currently have equipped, and based on that style it will give you the move that you're going to use. It takes your camera's direction and your position in the world, and then it sends that to the server. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to go to kick handler, and then you want to go to this part right here. You should already have this, and then you just want to copy it like it is right here. Copy it as like it is right here. You can change this depending on the animation you use, but if you're using my animation, just do it like this. So once you press play, it should be working as usual, like a direct shot. Yep, as you can see it works. You have to have your own animations and sounds, but yeah, those aren't hard to do. You can use another tutorial for that. Okay, so after I done that, I was just showing you guys how to get onto the rolling script, because this one's gonna take a while. So first, what you wanna do, you wanna make a text button like this. Just press this plus button right here and search up text button, then it will just make this. You don't even have to give it a name. You just wanna go put a local script in it, then copy what I did right here. So what this does, this is for stopping the player from moving whilst they are in the GUI, and then this sets the camera to be in front of them whilst they're rolling. As you can see, it works. So we're gonna press play, then we're gonna press roll, and as you can see, it puts them in this position right here. Can't move. You can hear me trying to move. Can't move. Can't jump. Can't do anything. And then yeah, this is where it was all got done. Then as I was doing that, I was getting to the back button right here. So the other GUI is a roll GUI right here. You just want to copy all these things. Hold up, let me put on the screen. You want to copy all these things. Well, you don't have to copy it, but you can make it your own way. But you just need to have these two. Well, you need to have all of them, but mostly these two. In the spin scripts, you want to open a local script, and then you want to copy this right here. It's not that long. What it does, it shows you how much spins you have remaining. Well, at all, using the data storage. So after you've done that, you want to go onto the back button, and I think this is what I was doing earlier. So you want to open a local script, you want to remove this, and then yeah, you want to destroy that, and then set the camera type to custom. So what this does, it's basically unlocks your camera. Then you want to set this to false. Wait, no. You script.parent enabled equals false, and then you want to do script.parent main enabled equals true. So this will bring back up the main GUI when you press the back button. Now let's just test if it works. Press play, press back, and yep, it works. Okay, so now let's stop that, and then let's get to the dirty work of making the script work. Okay, so in this text button, you've obviously got the script. Let's just see. No, we don't have to see it actually. You have to make an event called roll star right here in replication events. So let's just refer to that event right now. So you see, I already got referred to here, but you just want to press event fire server. So what this does is it fires it to the server. Then you want to make a new script in you can put it anywhere you want. I'm going to go into data, a script, and then you can name it or style handler maybe. Doesn't really matter what you name it. But yeah, let's begin in the script. Guys, I almost forgot to mention that before you do this, you want to go into replicate storage, and then you want to make a folder called styles, and then it has to contain the styles in string values. These are string values right here. You want to have the rarity of the styles right here. You need to have these, or else like it just won't make sense. Yeah, you got I'll just put Isagi as common, Yukimai as rare, just something simple. And then yeah, this is where you begin the rolling scripts. After you copy all this, you want to make the actual thing that listens for the event, which is game replicate storage dot replication events dot I forgot what I called it, row style dot on server event connect function. Then you want to get the player as a parameter, or as a value. Then we're gonna begin to type this up. Yeah, I almost forgot. You also want to go to data storage, then go to the default table and add a value called spins right here. And then yeah, you can go back to the style handler. Then we can start doing this. Let's just change the name of that, because obviously this is your game, not mine. And then yeah, what this will do, it will basically take one spin away from you, and then it will give you the style based on the rarities right here. You can change these rarities. This is a percentage of you getting that rarity. So for example, common will be 60%. Oh yeah, let's remove these because you guys don't have these styles in your game. But yeah, common will be 60%, rare will be 35%, and legendary will be 5%. But obviously you guys don't have legendaries, unless you can, well, you can make one if you want. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, but these are the rarities. You can change them based on your liking. For example, I can make legendary 10%, but I would then have to make rare 30, so that it actually like adds up to 100%. But then yeah, now what you want to do is you want to go to this UI, and then you want to go to the style name, put a local script in here, and just remove this, put local player game. Okay, so you want to write this in the style name script. Then I press play. As you see, I have written right now, but if I press the spin button and I get Yukimaya, it will show Yukimaya up here. Now you can change the color depending on the rarity by doing this. So I'm gonna go to the local script. Then I'm gonna do so boom, what this does is going to change the color to these colors depending on what style you rolled. Let's just make this a little darker. Let's press play. And then as you can see, I have Yukimai right now. It's rare and the color for rare is purple. So if I spin it, I've got Yukimai again. Spin it, I got Rin, changes to yellow / orange. And if I spin it again, I've got Isagi, changes to blue color. You can see. And then yeah, it changes your actual like style here as well. Right here. If I spin, got Isagi again. If I spin, got Isagi again. And like you see, it changes your style to Yukimaya, so your direct shot thing won't work anymore, because obviously your style's changed. But yeah, that's only the basics of the rolling system. You can obviously change stuff to it, but it's really simple to do. After you've done all that, you just want to disable the rolling scripts. I mean, not the rolling scripts, disable the rolling GUI, then enable the main GUI. Then you you can just change it to how you want it to look like. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so boom, guys, I'm done. After you've done all that, you just want to disable it and enable this, and then yeah, we're done with the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.